AK sir, your English language tutor. Hello guys, today we are going to learn phrasal verbs with keep. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Keep away. Avoid something or someone. I have told him to keep away, but he won't listen. Keep from, not tell. It's difficult to keep from feeling worried about this situation. Keep out. To stop entering. I prefer to keep out of arguments about money. Keep down. Not vomit. If I ate that, I don't know if I could keep it down. Keep up. To continue. He talks so fast, I can't keep up with what he is saying. Keep to. Persist in, continue. I wish he'd just keep to the point.